Okay, and first we need to look at what kind of extra tools and parts I need for that flywheel locking. Firstly, we need now some steel plate, what is little bit thicker steel or aluminum, and in my case I have like 3 to 4 millimeter metallic plate. Where are those holes, and we can do those holes, and then also longer like 10 to 15 centimeter this 8 millimeter bolt, and then nut also in here, and then one little bit longer this locking bolt to this flywheel. Now we can look closer. This is like 4 millimeter steel plate. It can be also aluminum because this force is quite high, and then this longer bolt and nut, this locking nut in here, this locks this plate, and then extra bolt for this little bit longer than this flywheel normal locking bolt. Okay, and when we use these 1, 2, 3 things, we can lock this flywheel. And let's go to look at how I install those parts. Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to show you that how to lock this car or truck's flywheel. And there is really my lock system, and this is now locked, this my flywheel movement, and in what purpose and what area we need that lock. The one thing is that when we need to open our crankshaft puller wheel bolt, this big very tight bolt, and this is this idea, and next we look at how I install this my lock system in there and how this system works. And please enjoy my friend, and let's continue.